Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is VenusLove, and today we're gonna do the Hana dress from Mood Fabrics. It's a free pattern from their website, and I'm gonna link it down below. Don't forget to share with your friends, like the video, and comment what we should do next time. Hi guys, so I'm gonna start cutting the pattern. I'm gonna put it all together. What I like to do is I like to set it up and then start taping, and then I will show you how it looks. So I just finished taping the pattern, and it's supposed to be connected like around the part, like around here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this part first, and then after I cut it, I'm gonna add that part to the pattern here. It's just too big. And I don't think it makes so much sense to get everything together and then cut it. And after cutting the pattern, we have the 5 pieces. So this is the front of the dress, this is the back. I believe these are the straps. This is what are gonna be like here for the bust. And this, I have no idea what that is. But yeah, let's see. I'm gonna get the fabric now. This is the fabric that I got for the project. Oh, kind of silky, really cute. I got a lot actually. But yeah, let's make the dress. Okay, and the pieces are cut already. And if I'm honest with you guys, I struggle with these pieces. This is my first time working with this type of fabric. It's like a silk chiffon, but I really love the color and how it feels. Oh, I decided to make a little more longer than it is. I really prefer wearing long dress so I don't have to shave my legs. So I'm going to start doing the strap of the dress, and after that I'm going to the body. I just want to have this done before I do everything else. Okay, so let's start doing that. So I just finished sewing the straps. I'm gonna flap them with the iron, and then I'm gonna you know, reverse it. How can I say it? I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. Okay, so I have these two that every time I use it I feel like I'm using it wrong, but let's try to use it right now. I have no idea how this is supposed to work. Okay, I think I figured it out. Look at that. Wow, that's actually so fun. It's not as easy as people try to make it seem, but it was nice. So I'm gonna do it with the other one, and then I'm gonna flip them so you guys can actually see how it's supposed to look like. These are my straps. Okay, so let's shoot the body. I haven't finished anything yet. I don't know you guys can see me, but yeah, we are going. This is not doing but it's fine. Let me put this there. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna sew the front part and the back part, the big ones, okay, together. Let's do that real quick. So I just sewed the back and the front together, and now I'm gonna sew these 2 pieces that's gonna be underneath the dress, okay? Yeah, what we're gonna do, we're gonna sew these 2 parts together. Okay, oh, it's backwards. Oh, I'm glad I noticed. So we're gonna sew these 2 parts over here. Pian and pian. Oh, Gia wants to play. So I just finished like sewing everything, and I was ironing my fabric, and I burned it. I'm so pissed. What I'm gonna do is just gonna make a stitch here to cover it, because I don't want to cut everything again and then sew, because I really just finished it, and you know, I'll do that and I'll be back. Okay, so I just like stitch it. That's gonna end it like that. I think it works. So now we're almost about to finish the dress. So let's gonna show you guys how we're gonna sew this to the big part, the straps to the dress. So this is the big part that we just saw. This is the whole dress, and this is the top part that we were working on. What we're gonna do is we're gonna face everything together, and this is going to be this. So we're gonna sew the front part first, so it's to make it more easier. And I'm gonna add these straps. So this is the front part. This is the small part that we saw, and inside are the straps. Let me show you guys. You guys see the strap, everything here. Okay, let's sew this. Okay, so I decided to sew this strap so you guys can see what I'm talking about, because when I split this upside down, it's gonna look like this. Okay, let me see the other one. Here, look. It's gonna look like this. So now I have to sew these two together, and it's gonna look pretty nice. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so it was not recorded, but I'm gonna explain what I did. So after I sew the strap inside the dress, as you guys can see here, okay, I decided to close the front of the dress, so the top here, right? And then I sew the top to the armpit, right? I close it both sides, the top to the armpit, and then I adjusted the straps that is gonna be in the back. Here, this is the back, and I just sat along and everything. So what you're gonna do is, after you sew the strap, you're gonna grab it here. You're gonna grab it here. This is how it looks right now, right? And then you're gonna connect it to the back. So let me show you guys how it's gonna look. It's not finished yet, but I'm gonna show you. And this is the back. You see it? Actually, this is the front, and this is the back. Okay, so I'm gonna use a stitch to make it more clean, and then let's see. Okay, so I just finished the dress, and this is how it's looking. It looks like a pajama, but that's like the point of the dress. I was thinking that maybe to add some straps and like tie it in the back right here, like pew. But it's just gonna be big here, so making it do it like that. Huh? So it's really nice though. I'm not gonna lie. Let me show you another. Okay. It's actually cute. It's cute. It's simple. It's really nice. But I'm gonna add these straps either way. To be more my style, like I like it, but I feel like I don't know if I love it. Let me show my mom and then we'll come back, okay? And this is the result. Yeah, I just wanted to be honest with you guys. You guys are seeing my dirty clothes over there, but it's fine. But yeah, just like we're all learning, and I think trying different fabrics is quite exciting. This one is actually so comfortable. It's like a combination with chiffon and satin, and I really like it. I'm gonna try to continue buying this type of fabric and working on that, on perfecting my technique. But after all, I like it. Maybe I guess maybe I will change the straps to something different. I'm gonna show you guys the back. Oh, and this dress was supposed to be without the straps, so it will look like this, like without this, so just like this. I like it, not bad. It's not really my style, so that's kind of why. Hope you guys liked the video, and I see you guys next week. We're gonna continue with the series of creating new clothes for spring and summer. Don't forget to share, subscribe. So keep you guys posted.